What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hey. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You already know me. We're gonna get right into this video. So today this video is going to be how to add your social media to your YouTube banner. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna show you how this looks first, and then we're gonna get right into it. So first, you're going to go ahead and click on customize channel, and once you customize channel, then you're going to see right below channel customization basic info. Once you get to basic info, you're going to want to scroll down, and you're going to see where it says links. And what you want to do is click on add links. You can add up to 5 links. In this video, I'm only adding 2 because I only have 2 to add. The first one is going to be for my personal website that I have of me being an entrepreneur. And then the second one is going to be my Instagram. So you see that I basically just typed in website in the link title. And then I went to my website and just copied the link there. And you basically want to copy the link where you want the person to go to. The page that you want them to go to. So you just copy the link there. And then once you're done, you go ahead and basically just add your link. So I'm going to do the same thing I just did. And this one I'm going to basically, like I said, is do Instagram. So I search my Instagram name, which you can kind of just do instagram.com/ whatever your Instagram name is. And there you see that I have just put that there. Once you're done, you're going to go ahead and you're going to see links on banner. This is going to be where you can show as many links as you want to. So let's say you do go ahead and have like 5 links, and you only want to show 3. You can click 3. But in this one, of course, I only have 2, so of course I'm going to show both of them. And once you go ahead and you do the first 2 links, in my case, I'm going to go ahead and click on publish. And publish just means it's done, it's completed, it's published for whoever comes to my YouTube channel will see. So once I click on publish, it will take me back to the original page that I was just on in the beginning of the video. And you're going to see in the very right corner where you see my website and you see my Instagram. So just to make sure they do work, you do want to go ahead and just click on both of them, or however many links you have, just to make sure it is taking you to the right page that you want to go to. So the first one I am clicking on is my website. If you don't know, I do have a website. You can definitely take a look into my bio on my YouTube page, as well as my description, and as well as my banner now. And then I'm going to do the same thing with my Instagram. You know, sometimes people just go on their phones, but yep, it's there as well. So once I have completed with making sure that my website goes to where it needs to go and my Instagram goes to where it needs to go, then you're pretty much done. It's very simple. As well, you do have like your Instagram or your website or your Facebook or Twitter, whatever social media you do have, as well in your YouTube banner just itself. But this is just basically an extra way where someone can just easily click on the link and go straight there instead of, you know, having to go and type it in. So that's pretty much the video, guys, and I hope this is very informative.